how would you explain someone to me who wants to go into affiliate marketing and almost fully white hat? I know some terms, but not that much.
Yeah, I mean, everything is white hat. Besides being black hat means you're using just you're gaming Google. You're creating, like using social multiple bots to promote, or those are just a little black hat, right? We're using multiple backlinks to or whatever. That's a little black hat, but you can avoid that, okay? But affiliate marketing, what we're doing right now, it's just like creating a YouTube video, okay? So I have affiliate links on my description as well. Like the ones I use, I tell them these are the exchanges I use. This is one of the example I'm giving you. This is like white hat, right? And then obviously I have all the short links, but if you can check it out. So, and then what else do I have? Basically, in this channel, if I tell you, because this applies to this channel, okay? Whatever affiliate marketing I'm doing, I'll tell you another example too. This is like, hey, I'm doing crypto and all that. So all the links I have is related to crypto and stuff, but these are the stuff I also use. Hey, this is my studio. So I have Camtasia pays you for affiliate marketing. I don't know, whatever commission. I use Camtasia all the time, so I promote it, right? Whatever I use, I can promote if they give me an affiliate, whatever stuff. That's number one. Second, if you don't want to use your face, like what I'm using, I can create multiple videos, which I'm actually working on. AI kind of videos and all that stuff, which I'm going to promote. I mean, people think I only have one channel, dude. I mean, there's channels we create for anything. Like, literally, I told you, like, you don't have to be yourself. Funny videos and stuff, you can repurpose and all that. And you can have, for example, I don't know if you know ClickFunnels. Of course, maybe you heard about ClickFunnels, right? So if I'm talking about ClickFunnels, I can literally show them, record a video, and show them how to create a landing page, how to create this, and I can be like, hey, this is the link if you want to be, if you want to sign up for it. That's the legal and right way of doing it. And the best way, if you want to use videos to promote affiliate products, because you're doing reviews of it, right? And when you're showing people, this is how you do it. And second, obviously, once you get bigger, you will get sponsorship. That's like you can directly go deal with them. Hey, I need a $10,000 promotion. But at the same time, I told you, man, when it comes to promotion, I'd rather have another channel because I'm not going to compromise this channel. People come out with so many stuff that I can show you, like, it's crazy. I'm like, I can talk about this, but then what? I don't feel like talking about this. It doesn't relate to me. How would I talk about this NFT project and they're going to give me money, but then what? So I'm trying to come out with some other different forms of way to monetize, right? So recently I was thinking, how about I have one page, like, which is, obviously I have different scenes when I'm recording, right? Like, you can see me move cameras here and there. But one page could be just sponsors, and I can have, I don't know, it might work or not, I don't know. But I'm trying to think about it. Sponsors, and then you can have all the logos of sponsors. I'm not, like, here, my deal is these are the sponsors. I'm not saying I'm not vouching for them, but they're sponsors, they pay my channel, So that could be one of the ways I'm okay with it. Instead of being like, hey, you should, this is best thing ever. Think about Joe Rogan. This guy does 15 seconds video, 15 seconds quick ads between. I don't know if you know. Sure. Like, he just talks about it like, hey, this is this supporter sponsor. I don't mind doing that. See what I mean? So that's something I'm okay with. But then I don't think I'm going to be shilling. That's difficult, bro. If I go in that path, I don't think I can change again. I mean, that's a total different level. So, like I said, affiliate marketing, what you're doing is actually affiliate marketing. The easiest way is when you're talking about the project, showing them what to do. That's the best way. You see? So if I was like, hey, this is Coinbase, and this is how you do whatever you do in the Coinbase. This is how you withdraw money, and you can sign up on Coinbase. This is the link. All right? And I can give you multiple ways. And another thing, the best way is obviously creating a funnel, which you can do. I mean, you already started an email channel, right? Email marketing thing. I made most of my money through emails in my life. I wrote thousands of emails. Like, even right now, I told you, so I used to do a lot of email marketing, build list and sell through the list. All right. I don't do much right now, in this crypto field, but I still have in marketing. That makes me some money every now and then, right? So email is the best thing. Like, you can, create videos. I'm giving you a simple funnel. You create videos and just hook them into an email list. You can do that with few things. You can be like, hey, sign up for my free training or whatever, which is whatever better. Or just sign up to receive free Secret Insider every week, one newsletter every week, right? Once you get them inside, that's the key. I mean, I'm not saying you can pump and dump, But list is the key, man. All these Alex Becker, I mean, they all built huge list. I mean, I know them because that's what it is. Email marketing is the key, right? Even right now, I'm on Alex Becker's list. He's promoting his. He doesn't promote much right now, but what happens is once you build a solid list, don't compromise it. All right, once a while, but you can actually promote all the affiliate things using the list because it goes directly on their inbox and they see it. So that's the best way, to be honest. I mean, multiple ways, right? You're using links on your description, okay, but that's the best. Slow and steady. That's called the back end marketing, which is amazing. Like nobody understands. I mean, it's not like we are milking or anything. It's just subtly we are doing it, not manipulating, just influencing, which is if they want to buy, right? So you're talking about a project and then you have all the links in the thing. Like if you signed up with mine, maybe you've seen like the first one I just said, I don't promote anything right now, but I just had the links to my social. In the first, I just have the links to my social and also crypto exchange, whatever, if they want to check it out. And yeah, so this is the sequence. All right, when you email, I don't email every day, but I have the sequence like, hey, send this right after subscription, send this after 1 day. You can build those sequence, right? So I don't have a huge sequence. I only have for 2 days. But then, I mean, this is what I'm trying to tell you. Like email marketing is the key. The most whitehead way you can do is build a list, the long term. I can give you 100 ways, but then you're going to get distracted. And that's exactly the problem. Everybody tries to do 100 things. So my focus is to obviously build a list. But that's only the list. It's just the same thing. You're getting subscribers on your YouTube, and they end up getting on your list. You know what I mean? And if anything happens to YouTube, who cares? You still have the list, and you can build up stuff back again. I mean, anything can happen though. When I created Rebel Uncensored, I think I could get suspended because I will pick topics which could, and I know them. I know that I'm prepared for it. That's why I wanted to keep it separate. I don't want this crypto channel to get suspended, so I want to actually keep that separate. Because that has a chance to get suspended, but I don't care. So that's why I told you I'm experimenting, and I want to see which one works. Same thing I told you, keep creating, see which video does what, and based on that, I told you, repurpose this is gonna compound, man.